The Summer I Turned Pretty season 3 is finally out, and I thought that this season I would be Team Jared last, but no. I am still Team Conrad all the way. So, like, after watching the first two episodes, I think I only really felt butterflies in the scenes where Belly and Conrad were together. Like, something about Jer and Belly is still not appealing to me. And like, first of all, for those who've seen it, Jared this season has been so messy and sloppy. Like, he has cheated technically on Belly twice in a very Ross and Rachel we were on a break experience. He gets super passive aggressive and he keeps pulling all these, yeah, Conrad is the better brother comments. Like, it's really giving insecure. And like, secondly, Conrad's been winning me over because although he's been very broody and still giving this whole yearning energy, he's actually really working on his stuff and is showing how he cares in real ways and not just through performative stuff. And okay, let's talk about the proposal. Like, it was giving last minute proposal, very spontaneous from Jer. And although it was quite cute, honestly, it felt more like a reaction to the whole experience instead of a thoughtful decision. Like, it felt more like he was clinging to Belly instead of thinking of how ready they were actually to take the next step. But anyway, I'm so excited for the rest of the season.